exciting. Oh, sorry about that technical difficulties, everybody. It's just that it was saying 10% battery remaining, so yeah, without further ado, let's begin here.
Shut up.
Tom, you're disgusting.
Go after yourself.
What? Sorry, I made that mistake.
And I have gotten the speaker from your mom.
Oh my gosh. You just roasted Tom really insanely, dude. Oh my god, Ben, you're a super hot boy. You're a super hot boy, dude. So yeah. Oh my god, you're really a big roaster, dude. Well, anyways, folks, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So long.